Ronaldo, first person to reach 200 million followers on Instagram. Shares video. Juventus and Portugal forward Cristiano Ronaldo has become the first person to reach 200 million followers on Instagram. Monsieur, the five-time Ballon d'Or winner, is the only sportsperson among the top 5 most followed persons on the platform. Monsieur Ronaldo's rival Lionel Messi is 7th on the list with 141 million followers. Ronaldo shared a video of his Instagram journey and thanked fans. Facebook VP of Engineering Jay Parikh quits after 10 years at the company. Facebook's Vice President of Engineering Jay Parikh is leaving the company after 10 years. It's time for me to step out of Facebook to explore what is next. I don't have any immediate plans thereafter, he said. A lot of what we've achieved over the past years just wouldn't have been possible without you. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg said on Parikh's exit. World's 4th richest woman Mackenzie reduces her Amazon stake by $400 million. The world's 4th richest woman and Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos' ex-wife Mackenzie Bezos has reduced her stake in e-commerce giant Amazon by about $400 million. It's not clear whether Mackenzie sold the shares or gifted them. Monsieur Jeff Bezos retains voting rights over her stake, which now stands at 19.5 million shares worth $35.7 billion. Gates' daughter Jennifer gets engaged to Egyptian equestrian Nayel. Shares picked. Jennifer Gates, the eldest daughter of world's second richest person, Bill Gates, got engaged to 28-year-old Egyptian equestrian Nayel Nasser. Sharing a picture from the proposal on Instagram, 23-year-old Jennifer wrote, "Nayel Nasser, you are one of a kind, yes, a million times over." Nasser also posted photos of his special proposal on his own Instagram account, writing, "She said yes. Single quote.